Imagine creating eye-catching YouTube thumbnails without Photoshop and without paying a dime. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make viral thumbnails using Google's own free AI tool, and yes, it's super beginner friendly. Let's jump right into it. Head over to Google and search for Google AI Studio. Just click that top link. The first result should be the one. You'll land on the welcome page. Now go ahead and click Sign In. Sign in with your Gmail account to access the dashboard. Once you're in Google AI Studio, look on the left side menu and click on the Generate Media. Now, under the Explore Models section, click on Imagen. It's Google's image generator, and it's amazing. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a big prompt box. That's where we'll type our thumbnail idea. Now over on the right, go ahead and choose the aspect ratio for your thumbnail. That's the perfect size for YouTube thumbnails. Now, let's use a simple formula for prompts that works like a charm. Just replace the video title part. Let's create our first thumbnail. A viral thumbnail for a YouTube video titled, How I Made $10,000 with a Simple Python Script. Then, just hit the Run button or press Ctrl on your keyboard. Within seconds, you've got a ready-to-use thumbnail, no design skills needed. If you don't like the first result, click Run again until you find the one that really pops. Okay, this one looks amazing. I'd totally click on this video just from the thumbnail. To download, click on the large view icon. Then hit the download button. It saves directly to your computer, ready to use in your video upload. Let's say your video is titled The Evolution of Laptops from 1990 to 2025. In less than 15 seconds, we've got another incredible thumbnail. Keep hitting Run until you land on that one thumbnail that practically begs to be clicked. Like this one. Wow, it's bold, it's clean, it's viral material. Once you're happy, go ahead and save it. This trick works for almost any kind of video, whether it's a tutorial, a reaction, or a product review. Just type your video title, maybe add a little style, and let Google's AI handle the rest. A viral thumbnail for a YouTube video titled 10 Hidden Features in Your Phone You Didn't Know. Instead of using the formula I showed you, you can use your own ideas to create a better thumbnail. For example, you can say, a gold treasure chest filled with digital coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, opening with a glowing light along with simple text. Look at this one. You can seriously use this right away, no Photoshop, no extra edits. If your video is about crypto, I think this would be a great thumbnail for it. You can keep running it until you get the right thumbnail for your video. When you see this error message, it means too many people are using it at the same time. Try again in a few seconds and click Run again. Let's generate another thumbnail for a health-related video. A before and after photo of a body transformation with a tape measure and dumbbells, and bold text, 30-day challenge results. As you can see, we have a nice looking thumbnail that shows a body before and after comparison. If you don't like it, just keep running it until you get a good thumbnail. Yeah, this one looks really cool. Lastly, let's make a thumbnail for a social media related content video. A YouTube logo exploding from a phone screen with the subscriber counter skyrocketing, add text to it. And voila, we get the image. Personally, I like this one. Friends, I hope you've learned how to generate thumbnails using the Google AI Studio tool to help your videos go viral with the right thumbnail. And that's it. Smash that like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tools like this one. Catch you in the next video.